Costco gave me $5,800, and this is how. So I was always wondering, is it really worth it to replace windows from Costco? To be honest, I'm not sure it's worth it, but let me share you my experience. We live in Arizona and summer temperature can hit up to 120 Fahrenheit. Our original window just couldn't keep up. The heat was leaking in, the upstairs was always hotter, and our AC was basically running nonstop. When we checked with a temperature gun, the inside window frame inside of my house was already 85 to 100 Fahrenheit. That's when I knew we need new windows. So here's how Costco Window actually works. Costco partners with Infinity from Marvin, a premium fiberglass window brand. When you book through Costco, you get a free in-home consultation, Costco member pricing, seasonal promotions, 10% Costco Shop Card back, and if you are an executive member like me, you also earn the 2% annual reward on top of that. The consultation was honestly one of the biggest reasons I felt confident moving forward. She didn't just measure the windows, she actually taught us how window works. She checked every window in our house and explained why our window temperatures were so high. She brought a heat lamp and a demo infinity window. She put the lamp on one side, placed the sample window in between, and used a heat gun to check the temperature on the inside. Even with the heat lamp blasting, the heat barely transferred through the infinity window. Also, she used the temperature gun to check our window temperature, how hot it is, and that's the time it came out 95 Fahrenheit. She also explained why Infinity performs better. Their windows are made of fiberglass, not metal. Fiberglass doesn't conduct heat, expand less, and stay stable even in Arizona's extreme temperature. And she wasn't pushy at all. She actually recommended not replacing certain windows like our bathroom window or windows that don't get direct sun. She said we could prioritize based on our budget and even replace windows in phases over time. After measuring everything, she submitted the info to Costco and got our quote immediately. She even stepped outside to give us privacy to discuss. When we decided to move forward, she helped us with everything: financing application, HOA paperwork, to let HOA know we are replacing a window to get an approval. She emailed them and CC'd us. And they will be also helping with the SRP rebate application, which is our electricity provider. Also, full timeline explanation. So honestly, the whole process felt super easy. Okay, let's talk about numbers. The retail price for all 17 windows was $69,179. Costco applied two discounts: Costco member pricing, summer saving promotion. This will be only applicable when they run that promotion though. So we save about $20,754, bringing our total down to $48,425. This was very similar price to other Windows company we got quoted, but it was not a fiberglass. Then Costco gave us $5,812 in value, which is $4,843 in Costco Shop Cards. You can choose digital or physical card to receive this. $969 in executive rewards, which I will be receiving next year. If I pay with Costco credit card, I can get additional 2%, which is $969, but I didn't pay with the Costco credit card. So our true cost came out to around $42,615. We financed $23,425 through Costco's partner Service Finance Company at 18 months, 0% interest. It is a pretty good deal. For the rest, I used my Amex Platinum to earn points and hit my welcome bonus. It was a new credit card. Costco doesn't take Amex for this, so I used Plastiq to send a check with my Amex. Plastiq does charge a fee, but with $20,000 project, the points and bonus were worth it for us because we use Amex points for travel. For some reason, if you decide to use Plastiq, make sure to grab our referral code so you can save some fees. If you are planning to use Visa, you don't have to go through this at all. Costco accepts Visa or Costco credit card, so you can go with that route. If you have any questions about Plastiq, please leave a comment. After the payment, Lifetime placed the order. It took about 2 months to get our windows, and they asked us where we want to focus first. So we prioritized the upstairs first. Before installation, you will need to move your furniture about 3 feet away from each window. But you don't have to cover it, they will cover everything for you. The installation took 3 full days, and day 4 was a stucco work. And unlike many Windows companies, lifetime includes stucco, so you don't need to hire another contractor. The team vacuum and clean every day. One thing to know, paint is not included. After the stucco dry, we hire a painter for our 2-story home and spent around $850 for a touch-up. For the interior, I just touch it up myself. Not all windows require interior touch-up, so don't worry too much. And this is very normal. Many other Windows companies do not include paint. Before installation, our window frames were around 90 to 95 Fahrenheit. After installation, we immediately felt the house was cooler and the AC didn't run as hard.
Go look at the window.
Wow! Oh yeah, they say I can open like this? Oh, heat!
Yeah, you can feel the heat.
Oh.
There's a difference.
Yeah.
With the window, you don't feel much heat, right?
Yeah.
I mean, there is still heat, of course, but it's not as bad.
Oh, I can see outside. Bright and shiny. And I don't feel the heat.
Not as much, yes.
As much, yeah. I'm pretty sure there's heat, but it's not that bad.
Wow, what about this one?
I can definitely feel a little heat, but not that bad. Crystal clear.
Yeah. Very
Need
good.
blind.
Yeah, we need blind.
But I'm so excited I can see outside and dust out with the old window. It was hard to open it, but now it's like so easy. Ta-da! Whoa!
Now you can clean the outside.
Oh my god, so hot, but I can clean it like this and then ta-da!
Yeah.
So you can clean inside, outside.
Pretty cool.
So was it worth it? For us, yes. The house feels cooler, quieter, and more comfortable. And the whole process from consultation to installation was smooth and honestly really educational. After everything was done, I received my Costco Shop Cards through email. Costco caps each card at $2,000, so I actually received 3 separate digital shop cards. And you might be wondering what I'm going to use them for. Personally, I'll be doing more grocery shopping at Costco and sticking to my budget. But there are so many ways you can use these shop cards. You can use them towards Costco travel, another Costco home remodel, a new car from Costco Auto Program, or even Costco Auto Insurance. Basically, anything Costco sells or partners with, you can pay using these cards because you are paying Costco, not the vendor. If you are thinking about replacing your windows, definitely get a Costco quote. It's free, it's detailed, and it gives you a solid baseline to compare with other companies. Also, if you are looking for a new blind, I got this from Amazon. I highly recommend it. The link will be under description. Very, very smooth. Lifetime Window has a referral program. Please make sure to share Vincent Go name to get any referral bonus if they are providing it to you. For your information, I am not sponsored by Lifetime Windows. I'll also put a consultant's email so you can contact her if you need. If you have any questions about the process, please leave a comment. Also, if you're wondering how I'm going to use all these credits, I'll be posting my Costco Shop Card shopping journey in shorts, so make sure to check out and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and hope this video was helpful for you. Bye bye!